Yo, I felt a bite. Got one. First fish of the day.
Yeah.
Fish.
Digging?
Please. Got one.
Digging?
We're just casting these docks with a bandito bug. We're gonna hopefully catch some more.
Yeah, this one's crapping his pants too. Look at him. I got one. Oh, I had the little one. Oh, he got it. He got it. Got him. Oh my god.
It's a smallmouth.
No.
That's a nice one.
He was hooked good. A good little 14-inch smallie. Get him up.
I was changing out a battery and he caught one, so.
That's a good 2-pounder. I'm not gonna freaking record the whole time. I'm just gonna click on.
Oh, must have been small. Oh, still on. Bro, I knew it was a smallmouth. He was fighting hard. Not a big smallmouth, but he still put up a good fight. This guy smoked it once and then he must have came back for it. Not even a big fish, but he still fought hard.
It's a big one. It's a big and smallie.
Get him in. Oh my god.
Get him in. Get him in.
Look. Oh my god. That's a tank. Holy crap. Is that your PB?
Might be.
Holy
Let's
crap.
go.
That is a giant.
That's the one we're looking for. Ha! That's a freaking toad. He's not even that big.
Show him.
2.31. It's 16 and a half. Oh my god.
Oh, he's still there.
Oh no.
That is a nice fish.
Come on, buddy. Open your mouth.
He's just chilling.
There you go.
But that's a nice fish. Look at
Yeah,
that.
he's good.
You think I need a net?
Came out. Oh no, I still got him. Yeah, this one's better. Not better, but like a good one. That's a little chunk. Look at that stuff. Get him back. I think what that slaunch was doing was he was just sitting there with it.
That's what they are in Texas.
Vegan, slaunch. Don't. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
It might just be fighting. Oh. I think it's good.
Pulling the boat.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god.
It's fighting like a 3.
Oh my god. Get him up. He's pulling the whole boat, dude. Oh, it's a big one. Big one. Oh my god. Where is he?
Oh my god. Did he just lift that one up? You just grabbed the line and lifted it?
Yeah, I said screw it. I'm grabbing
Oh my god.
Does he feel heavy? Tell me what it is.
2.73.
Did not drop it. Took my Senko. That was the one after you opened.
Dude, literally. Oh!
This is it. You got one?
I think. Yes, for sure.
Get him. Get him. Make sure your drag's set. Get him. Oh my god. Take him.
This line breaks so easily.
Take him.
He doesn't seem too big.
After that other fish, I'm just like, screw this.
He might be close to 2 if anything.
It's
Oh!
facing down.
Oh! I saw it. It's like a 2. You'll have to net it.
Bring him in.
Get that boy. Get him.
I can't. Oh,
It's on my bait caster.
that's another big one.
Big and central right here.
You think that's the same fish that just bit mine? Fish, yep, for sure. Keeper. I think it's a keeper, yeah, for sure. Get him.
Okay, we're gonna let him go.
It feels big. Going down. Oh, it was in a crack in a weed. No, okay. Small.
Not enough to break my line.
Oh, it seems that's a
Get the net though, because this thing will snap.
Get him up. Get him up.
Got one. Got one.
Again.
It's a tactic. He might not be a pound.
He's a pound. He'll make it. Get him up. Flip him. Just flip him.
No, I can't with this 6-pound line, bro. I can't freight it anymore. He's close. Almost a pound.
Let's get the same thing. Get this jump pass.
Oh, nibbles.
Maybe.
I can't see that far, but got one.
That's it.
I don't think he's hooked very good. Get up
Get
in.
him in. Get him in.
Go. Fish.
Again.
Because he's just swimming towards me.
Oh, that's him.
I need to tighten the drag.
This stupid boat. This boat floating just freaking. I know. That's what I said.
Fish.
Biggin. Biggin.
Seems like it's a 2-pounder.
Oh. Look at that one. Bring him up in. Nah, I just flipped him up. Just kidding. That's a nice one. That'd be good tournament fish. That's still a good 2.
Almost 2-pounder. Ow, it bit my hand. Got one.
That's a big one.
Oh, he soaked me.
Sucker.
Bro, he literally.
Dragon crawl, dude. Oh my god, soak my leg.
Dude, he soaked me. Look at me, bro.
Try to use one a day. Because we'll be needing them.
Another nice, little bit smaller actually. He's still long though. Okay, we're gonna let him go.
They don't know what the bandito bug is. I thought it was gonna be a big one. That has to be one.
So,
Fish. Fish, yep. Big one. Feels big. Oh my god. It's a big one. It's a nice one fish. It's a smallie, I think.
yeah.
He's got me in the weeds. Get out of there.
No. Yes.
Oh, this.
Hold it up, bro.
Finally, my first nice fish of the day.
Okay,
How big?
release.
That's like a 1.5 pounder. It had me in the weeds. I thought it was a big one. Fish. Fish, yep.
Is it good?
On the bandito bug. A nice little, like, 10 inch.
Are you using top water?
I'm just kidding. We only caught 4, though.
You gotta use top water right now.
I know. Earlier we caught 4. There's one.
Any big?
Oh,
Any
big one.
ones?
Big one. Big one, Elijah. Oh, it's not that big. It's a nicer one, though. Dad, I got one on.
Hey,
Yeah?
hey, you guys can start heading back. Alright? It's just for your first night. Just start heading back.
I just caught like a 16 incher. No, that's like 14, 15. Dad, we're going to be in this tournament.
Good. Alright. Make sure both of you guys have your headlights on.
Ow, he
okay?
took my craw. No.
What's that?
He took my craw. Or he took my bandito bug. Alright. That's a good 1.2 pounder.
Both headlights on.
Hey, yeah, it is on. Alright. Get the release. Yeah. See ya, buddy.